Holy smokes. Freaking fire alarm's going off. I put tape over it because it's too loud. Can't hear it. Yeah, this is what we got.
Partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 60s.
Due to a severe thunderstorm, tennis ball size hail that I've missed. So I didn't have no storage on my phone. Yeah, the staff is freaking out. I don't know why I got a fly swatter. Just right there. Holy smokes.
And the relative humidity 90%. The wind was northeast at 8 miles.
So I got the watch. 2 warnings and 1 watch. Right now it's just raining like heck out. Look at this. And fire trucks here. Oh, now we go. They turned it off. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Alright.